Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing, Pisces, a them reading. I know you're waiting for your you and yours and you versus them, right? So I thought June end, last couple of days left, let's check on their energy and we'll save the in-depth reading for next week when the new energies of July set in. So if you're interested, stay tuned, Pisces. Let's see how your person is feeling, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Pisces, before I start, let me just put my phone ringer off. 1 second. Sorry. All right, good to go. So let's begin your reading now, Pisces. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Pisces, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay. Oh, Pisces, this is your person. This is how they're feeling. I'll just tell you in a minute. Okay. There's been a bit of an imbalance, at least that's how your person is feeling, and they're also, I think, feeling rather impatient now because I think there's been some kind of a separation or ending here. Let's see. So in the first position, I have the Seven of Swords in reverse with the Nine of Cups. Pisces, your person feels whatever games they played, whatever they did, it has completely backfired on them because they were very happy with you. They felt the Nine of Cups, they felt this happiness with you, and maybe they did something here to sabotage this connection, and now they feel it's all backfired on me because they feel now, you probably turned your back on them. Let's see. Seven of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Why do they feel like that? Seven of Swords in reverse from a different deck is clarified by the Seven of Swords. See, that's the confirmation. Two different decks, same card comes out, means they're feeling like, oh my God, what have I done? I've played myself. This connection has totally backfired. That too, a connection which actually, heart of hearts, made me feel so happy. And Pisces, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there, okay? So why does this Pisces person have the Nine of Cups, Spirit? Nine of Cups. They really did love you. They did really love you, Pisces, except that they never did the right thing when the time was right. Right? They are now recognizing that yes, this Pisces really made me happy. I did have so much love for them, but I never did the right thing. I lied to them, I cheated them, or snuck away, or whatever I did. It's kind of the entire connection has now backfired because maybe now you've kind of turned your back, or they maybe feel that you're now looking out to see other options or something. Let's see. Why is the Three of Wands here, Spirit? They are waiting. They still seem to be waiting for maybe you to come back. Yes, they feel they can't come forward to you. All they can do is wait, maybe for some news from you, because they know that they have kind of not been correct in the past. They've been a bit of a trickster maybe in the past towards you, created some bad memories with you now, and made you very unhappy. Yes, so now this person is kind of feeling, what have I done? All I can do is now wait and see what's going to happen next. Whoever this person is, Pisces, is feeling very unloved at the moment. They've lost their Empress. King of Cups in reverse. Not sideways, please. King of Cups in reverse. They feel released. They feel after whatever conflict that you guys have had, They feel that maybe you've released them now, you are no longer interested. Now they feel they've lost their chance to have love in their life. They don't know how to come forward and offer a restart or a brand new beginning, and this person is feeling quite down and out. In the recent past, as much as they never told you, Pisces, they always saw you in very good light. They always saw you as the Empress, the one, queen above all queens, but they maybe never showed it, right? They tried to play a trickster, and maybe they were trying to buy time, or maybe they were trying to see what else is out there. Whatever this person did, they created bad memories with you. Now be very aware, Pisces, energies sometimes get flipped. So this could be the way you're feeling about your person, okay? But I'm going to read it like this is your person, and that's how they're feeling about you. So why did Pisces person see them as the Empress in the recent past, Spirit? They did see you in very high light. They knew that you were the one, you were the perfect person to have abundance, growth, and forward movement with, but they tried to delay it. They tried some tactic or the other to delay offering that commitment, which they should have at that point, right? This commitment was never offered. They were only delaying it, creating some obstacle or the other, even though very well they knew that this is the person I am going to end up with. And now, because of their own behavior, I think they've lost their place. They feel they've lost their place, and now they're quite embarrassed and ashamed of the way they've behaved with an Empress. One thing after another. Now the doorbell rings. Give me just a second, Pisces. I'll be right back. Sorry, Pisces. I'm back. Okay. So now what's this death card, Spirit? For Pisces person, why do they feel they want to transform this connection? They want to do a total 360. They want to charge towards you, Pisces. They want to take action. They want you to forget about whatever happened in the past. If you can just kind of, pretend it never happened, and we can just move forward. But they're a bit afraid right now because they feel that you're not going to trust them. You'll probably see them as a promise breaker, somebody who's going to bring you false promises. They're a bit they're afraid of rejection, even though I do see them wanting to fight for this connection one more time. 9 of Wands, Spirit. 9 of Wands. The problem here, Pisces, is that they know they've done something. They have a lot of regret for the way they have maybe behaved in the past, or what was lost between the two of you. They know that they are the reason this this connection has come to an end. They do have a lot of regret. They do want to talk about it. They do want to have this conversation with you, but right now I think they're at a loss of words. They don't know what to say. As much as they want to come forward and take action, they are also trying to guard themselves because they feel they're not going to trust them again. You will, reject them maybe, so that they don't have the words right now to make things right. Where you're concerned, Pisces, the way you see them is as if they're taking no action. They've kind of disappeared into some cave of their own. And you feel it's best to kind of release this connection because you feel they've made their choice, they've made a decision, they are selfish, they are self-centered. It's best to release a connection where I'm always going to be left alone. You always feel that even when you were in the connection, it didn't feel like a connection because they never gave you that grounding that you need in a connection. So you feel it's better to release this. Maybe this was a karmic connection, selfish individual, self-centered person, and you seem to be making a choice to get out of waiting around. No, heart of hearts, you also kind of want a rebirth, but you're feeling rejected. You're feeling that hurt is still there, of feeling rejected, dejected. You feel that they didn't do the right thing and they just left you, when they should have been there for you all along. So, what is Pisces person biggest fear? Pisces, your person's biggest fear is the same. They feel, oh my God, I'm going to be the loser in this connection. See this card? The Five of Swords. The Seven of Swords came out earlier, right? Twice. It's almost the same thing. And here it is again in their fear position. It's the Five of Swords, but almost says the same thing. They feel their bad behavior is now going to backfire on them. Why is that, Spirit? Why do they feel the Five of Swords in reverse? Because they feel they don't have any more power left. They've created some kind of an imbalance, they feel, and now they've lost all their control over you. They can't stop you from doing anything. They feel that maybe you're going off for a fresh new beginning somewhere else, and also because maybe you're looking really sexy these days, Pisces. You're looking hot and you're looking single and abundant and doing well for yourself, and they feel, hey, what did I do? I created this stupidity between us, and I know it's my fault, and I've actually freed my person, which is you, Pisces, to be free and available to anyone else who would want them. They want to come and stake their claim, but they feel they've messed up really bad. Nine of Pentacles, Spirit. Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Yes, this person is not very happy. They go back and forth in their mind about what to do. How do I approach this person who is now single, who is no longer under my control, who is free to reject me if they have to? So this person is not very happy at the thought that they are the ones who are now going to, or they are feeling dropped now. They are feeling now, I was playing the games, but now I feel that Pisces is going to now just end the burden and drop me. So that's the reason they're feeling awful, because now they feel whatever they did is going to come back to them. Karmic justice, I would say. Not that you're doing it, or maybe you are, Pisces, but this is your person's perception of the situation. So now I'm going to take some dialogue message cards to see if they could say something to you, what that would be, Pisces. But before that, we'll take our angel blessing card, see how my angels are going to bless this reading. My angels, for Pisces, please. Marriage. One more. Don't compromise. Yes, Pisces, you deserve nothing but the best. And what is a marriage? Marriage is a combination of two equal halves. The minute it's imbalanced, then it kind of doesn't work, right? So what Spirit is saying, that yes, make sure that even if this person wants to come back, they come back correct. Don't compromise. Don't compromise. There are lots of soulmates out there, and if this one is not going to step up to the plate, it's not your place to make yourself smaller. Don't compromise on what you deserve and desire. So now let's see if this person could say something to you, what that would be. Pisces person, Spirit. If they could say something to Pisces, what that would be. And once again, I'm saying you can flip the energy. It could be vice versa. Pisces and their person, or Pisces person, Spirit. If they could say something to them, what would that be? Okay. Take a couple more from here, Pisces. All right. Good to go. Let's start your dialogue message cards. The first one here says, no matter how hard this journey has been, loving you is still the best thing that's ever happened to me. See, I told you, somebody knew they had an empress. They knew they had an empress, but just created delays. You're the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you. We are one. I love you. I'm involved with someone else, and it wouldn't be fair on either of you to pursue our connection at this time. Now, this is probably what happened in the past. They knew they had an empress in hand, and they were trying to delay maybe checking out their other options, and created bad memories between the two of you. I did see that. They were looking out to see if the grass was greener on the other side, being a bit of a trickster, created some bad memories between the two of you. So, this could have been the reason that this relationship broke up. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. They thought they could get away with whatever they were doing. Whether together or apart, I feel a prisoner of your heart. You're all I want, my everything. I don't want to be free, for we are chained together in love. I want to hold you and never let you go. I'm working through issues with my family. So, Pisces, this was your reading. Hope it worked for you. If it did, do leave a thumbs up, let me know. And I'll see you soon on Saturday now for your love bite. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.